Manipuri Students Federation MSF today celebrated its 22nd Foundation Day at the community hall located at Kwakaithel Thonojum Lekai in ENFIELD. Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur COSEM Chairman Dr. Lamabam Mahendra, Poidei Lemarol Mairapaibi Apunba Manipur President Longjam Memchobi, Amuko President Fairoijam Nando Luang, MSF President Sajad Buyamayum and several others attended the program. BAC None under District Mental Health Program and DSS District Health Society None organized a community awareness program on health and psychological support during COVID-19 pandemic at Longmai for Peaceland today. The Political Affairs Mission formed by Opposition Naga People's Front to help facilitate the ongoing peace talks to resolve the Naga political issue has said that the Naga Socialist Council of Nagalim IM and the Naga national political groups have agreed in principle to come together and discuss across the table issues related to peace process. India's COVID-19 tally stands at 71,75,881 with 55,342 fresh cases, while the number of people who have recuperated crossed 62 lakh. In metro cities, after initial upswing, the case trajectory is showing changes. In India, active COVID-19 cases stands at 8.61 lakh, while 61.49 people have recovered from the disease so far. The Mizoram government has decided to regularly reopen schools for students of class 10 and 12 from October 16, an Education Department official said. According to a media report, the decision was taken in accordance with the Union Home Ministry's order, which allowed states to reopen schools after October 15 depending on the COVID-19 situation in their respective states. India is likely to have a vaccine against the coronavirus disease COVID-19 by early next year, and it will possibly come from several sources, Union Health Minister Harsh Vardhan said in a meeting of a group of ministers today. According to the report, Vardhan said India is expecting vaccine early next year from maybe more than one source. A man was arrested along with a stolen Royal Enfield bullet by a team of Thoubal Police Commando at Lelong. The vehicle was reportedly stolen from Thoubal Bazaar by Parbesh, aged 20 years, of Kiamgai Oinam Lokon Lelong ITI crossing, a police report said. The International Day for Disaster Risk Reduction 2020 was observed at the first Manipur Rifles ground in ENFIELD. The event was organized by Department of Relief and Disaster Management. Around 80 personnel of Police Department, State Disaster Response Force, SDRF and Manipur Rifles attended the program. The autumn session of the Meghalaya Assembly would be held from November 5 to 12. In all, there would be just 5 sittings of the House, in which 2 days are reserved for private members, business and 3 for government-related businesses, a media report said. The Assam and Arunachal Pradesh governments have decided to maintain status quo and hold interstate coordination meeting on a regular basis to resolve the decade-old border dispute between the two northeastern states.